Greetings, folks. Hope you're all doing well. This is the unboxing of Mao, Mao, Maono Maono AU A03 podcast microphone set. This was available for very cheap, like 2,100 rupees, and I snagged it. And inside the box, this is the box you get. I'll quickly show the contents around the box. Now moving on to the box, what's inside the box. Open it up, you get a whatever that is, a visiting card or some sort, and a user manual. Has what a user manual has. This is the pop filter. The shit should go away. This is the microphone windsock. I have no idea why I did that, but whatever. Inside there, it's the microphone itself. Inside this plastic bag. Feels a little bit heavy. Feels a little bit premium. Inserting that windsock into it, you get this. Now this is the shock mount for the microphone itself. This is the desk mount. As you can see, you can clamp it into any desks. This is the cable that connects to the PC or whatever device you're connecting it to. XLR to standard audio output. Tasty. If you are using a laptop, you can use that splitter into one. This is the strap for cable management, and that is the metal arm for the microphone. Seems like an okay quality product, but it got scratched easily, so there's nothing else inside the box. That's all there is to it. Now, to the audio quality itself, you have actually been listening to the actual microphone. From what I heard, there is a little bit noise still there. It's more of the it's not the microphone's fault, it's more of the computer's fault, being directly connected to the audio port. So I think an external audio card would fix the issue, and the audio quality itself sounds decent. Decent for me, but I'm not exactly sure whether this is voice acting quality enough, or if you want to sing a song or do your own stuff, whatever you're doing with it, ASMR maybe. I think this should be good enough. There's a pop filter right in front of me. If I'm speaking directly to the microphone, make weird noises. Anyways, that's the side. So far, I'm kind of impressed with it. That was knocking on wood. That was me typing on the keyboard. Oh shit, I think I activated CIA alarm. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.